Add tab to script first. Tab name, tab 1. Add the first action to the script. The first action of the script must be activate window. Enter the window name. You can enter part of the full window's name only. If you opened the page in a browser or another window with a similar name, the bot engine can activate this window instead of the one you want. Now let's create simple logic with pauses. Random deviation adds to the main time a random value from 0 to 20, default value, % of the main time. This script activates the window with a name containing the text Diablo, then it waits for 1 second, 3 times. If we use the go to point action with the point after the go to point, we must set the repeat count to 2. The repeat count is not reset. To quickly remove actions, hold down Ctrl and click on the widget. Let's make a simple script for Diablo 2R. Add click on screen actions to start the game. Select the type of click, mouse left button, and set the time for waiting after the click, time in seconds. Click on Set Background and Edit to set the coordinates. Move and click with the left mouse button at the location where you want the bot to click. You can add 2 or more clicks to one action, not more than 20. You can run the script from any action. Just right-click the mouse on the widget and select Run Script From. For a quick copy of an action, press Ctrl and left-click on the widget you want to copy. Right-clicking with the mouse button clears all points for the click. Let's consider a new action now. Add the Click on Image action. You can edit the delay after the click, similar to the Click on Screen action. Prepare an image for clicking. You can use Windows Snipping Tool or another program. Save this crop to the custom_images_for_finding directory in the Universal Bot Engine folder in .png format. The name of this crop is start_game.png. Write start_game.png in the name of images string. Warning: don't use a crop of an image for clicking with a different game resolution, window size. It will not work. Use Click on Image for simple icons and simple 2D images. Let's create a correct function for the game's loading wait. Create a new tab named wait_loading. Create a crop of the text loading and save it to the custom_images_for_finding folder. The file name should be loading.png. Add an go to point if image found action. It works similar to the go to point and click on image actions. Enter loading.png into the name of images row. Add another simple logic. The script should sleep for 2 seconds, then check for the image loading.png on the screen. Add an action to return to previous tab. This action will take the script back to the previous tab from where the current tab was called. If the image loading.png is found, the return to previous tab action should be activated. Add an action to go to tab and select tab 1. This action will navigate to another tab called wait_loading. We can observe that there is a mistake in the Wait Loading tab. Click on the True/False checkbox. The action widget's name changes to Go to Point if image false. Now, if the image loading.png is not found, the action to return to previous tab will be activated. It should work correctly now. Need to press the tab button to disable the map. Add the key sequence action for pressing the tab key. Enter tab text in the key with click row and set the waiting time after the tab key is pressed. To set a key sequence, click on the input keys row and press the keys you need. It also supports combinations of keys like Ctrl+C, but it does not support the tab key. Let's create a function to buy healing potions from an NPC named Ormus. Ormus is an animated 2D image that moves on a random path. We need to create several different images of Ormus and save them in the custom_images_for_finding folder. The names of the images should be Ormus1.png, Ormus7.png. Add a new tab named Trade_with_Ormus. Implement a simple logic for trading with Ormus. Write all the names of the cropped images of Ormus in the name of images string, separated by comma. Make sure you do not include any extra spaces or wrong symbols. If one of the images of Ormus is found on the screen, the bot will click on it. Need to set threshold here. If threshold is high, there will be fewer false clicks, but the saved image and the image on the screen should be very similar. If the threshold is low, there will be more false clicks, but it can click on an image with more differences with the screen image. Here we need a threshold lower than the default. Add an exit from the loop if the menu dialog with Ormus appears. Also, set the threshold in the go to point if image action. It works the same as in click on the image. The algorithm for clicking on Ormus works not ideally. For better performance, we can make more crops of Ormus from different sites. Click on image and go to point if image are not the best ways for animated figures like Ormus. The best way for it is detection by neural network. Add other logic to the script. Add a click on screen action for clicking on trade. Here we can select a part of the screen where the image would be found. The smaller the field, the faster the CPU will process the action. Let's add logic for buying healing potions when the belt is empty. Let's add logic for going to the teleport. Sorry for the lags. We can see that the script works correctly.